In any shampoo, you must have these groups, basically these groups of chemicals. You should have some surfactants, you should have some foaming agents to form the foam of the shampoo, some thickeners to give the shampoo its texture, and some preservative to preserve it outside the fridge for a long life. And then again some fragrances are added, and we should know which fragrances are added and how much they are added. The thing is, most of the people now know that sulfates and silicones are bad for the hair, and the shampoo companies, they just write sulfate free or paraben free. What they use instead of silicones and sulfates is even more harmful than the sulfates and silicone. You must be very clear on every ingredient in your shampoo, whether what surfactant is used, what preservative is used, whatever is used in your shampoo, you must know it. And the best way to do that is to make your shampoo yourself. So we will make a shampoo, it will be customized according to your own hair needs. So watch the video till the end and share this video with everyone who uses shampoos and they are not happy with their shampoo because of hair loss or hair fall. So let's start right after the intro. Assalamualaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and today is going to be the last day that the shampoo companies are fooling you into thinking that their toxin loaded shampoos are good for your hair. So I'll share with you all the list of ingredients which are harmful for your hair, and if you find these in your shampoo, just throw it away. And if you find that some of the ingredients are missing, like the surfactant is not mentioned, the preservative is not mentioned, do not use it, because they are hiding something that they don't want you to know. The best way is to make your own shampoo. So let's make our own shampoo. The solvent that we'll be using to make our shampoo is green tea. Green tea is famous for its antioxidant properties. The hero element in the green tea is panthenol. Panthenol stimulates the scalp, softens up the hair shaft and strengthens the hair follicle. Green tea is also rich in theanine and caffeine, which simultaneously stimulate the scalp blood vessels, allowing the nutrients to reach the follicles and promote more hair growth. The usual solvents which are used by the shampoo companies are usually alcohol or isopropanol, both of which are very harmful and not the least bit nutritive for your scalp or for your hair. Next, we'll add a thickener, which is the xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is a very natural thickening agent which is used to boost the shampoo's viscosity. Usually in the store-bought shampoos, you find that salt is used as a thickener. Now salt is not harmful per se, but as you know, salt attracts water. If a large amount of salt is used, it will pull all the water out of your hair and make it dry. So long use or regular or frequent use will leave your hair dry. The next ingredient in our shampoo will be aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is one of the wonders of God. It helps with the healing of scalp due to its antibacterial and antifungal activity. It is most effective when it comes straight from the plant. So instead of using store-bought aloe vera gel which might have preservatives in it, it is better if you use aloe vera gel from your own aloe vera plant, or maybe from your neighbor's aloe vera plant. Just take out a leaf and put it in a tall glass. After 10 to 15 minutes, you will see a yellow tinted resin collecting below your glass. This contains latex and it can irritate the scalp. You should throw that away. Once you have drained off the resin, clean the rest of the leaf, cut it into small parts. Now with a peeler or a knife, cut the upper thick layer. Once you cut the upper layer, you will see the gel. Scoop it out with the spoon, and in this way you can get your clear gel. Make sure that none of the yellowish part gets mixed up into your gel, because that can irritate the skin. And I am using this aloe vera gel because of its scalp cleansing properties, and it can be used by everyone, but it has some special benefits for some special hair problems. Since dandruff is caused by a fungus called malassezia and aloe vera is a natural antifungal, people with dandruff should be using aloe vera in their shampoo or otherwise. Aloe vera is also beneficial for people with oily hair because aloe vera contains salicylic acid, which helps break down sebum and balances the sebum production. This reduces the clogged hair follicles and prevents hair loss. And aloe vera is known to increase blood circulation when it comes in contact with skin. More blood flow means a better blood flow of nutrients, which is a key driver for healthy hair growth. Now aloe vera is jam-packed with nutrients. It has an abundance of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, This is one of the most nutritive things that you can put on your hair, which is in sharp contrast to the chemicals which are in your usual shampoo. I can go on and on about the benefits of aloe vera, but let's now add the surfactant. The surfactant that we are using is cocoa glucoside. It is a coconut derived surfactant with gentle foaming abilities. Every foaming shampoo should have a surfactant, and the usual surfactants which are used are usually sodium lauryl sulfate SLS or sodium laureth sulfate SLES. Both of these are sort of damaging to your hair if used like in abundance. If you are using any sulfate containing shampoo, it is better to dilute it with water and use it only once a month. That's the maximum. But these sulfates have gained very bad reputation over the past few years, and now people sell their shampoos by writing sulfate free on them. What they use instead of sulfates is usually sodium 14,16 olein sulfonate, which is even more harmful than the sulfates that they were using. And this over here is a list of harmful surfactants which is used in the shampoos usually. One of the ways to avoid these harmful surfactants in your shampoo is to take a snapshot of all these harmful surfactants, and whenever you go buy shampoo, just tally these with the ingredients of whatever shampoo you are going to buy. And the other easier way is to make this shampoo yourself using very safe surfactants which are natural like cocoa glucoside. Anywho, the next thing which we will add in our shampoo is olive oil. It will act as an emollient. Olive oil is the perfect solution for a shampoo because it has fatty acid composition that allows it to absorb into your hair. Olive oil has a very good moisturizing effect on your hair. Plus, it has been shown to prevent baldness because it prevents the production of enzyme 5-alpha reductase and therefore prevents the production of DHT, the culprit behind male pattern baldness. And I know you are smart enough to notice that every ingredient that we have used thus far is something that you can eat also. This basically, the olive oil which I am using is used as an emollient. Emollient is something which gives the texture, the buttery texture to shampoo. And see, these are the emollients which are used in regular shampoos, in store-bought shampoos. And these emollients are very harmful for your hair health. They will make your hair grey, they will make your hair fall, they'll make your hair weaker and thinner. This is the difference between what you get from the store and what you make at your home. Next, we will add apple cider vinegar with mother of vinegar, which is not only a very good probiotics with many good bacteria, it is also a very good natural conditioner for your hair. Now for fragrance, I am adding some lemon essential oil. You can add any essential oil that you have at your hand. Rosemary essential oil is one of the best essential oils that you can add. It gives fragrance and it also has great benefits for hair health. Whatever essential oil you use is going to be much better than the fragrances that are added in your store-bought shampoos, which are usually phthalates, and these phthalates are basically endocrine disruptors. They cause estrogen dominance, and one of the biggest reason for estrogen dominance nowadays in men and women is usually these chemicals which are added as fragrances into your shampoos. If you are using a store-bought shampoo, make sure that your shampoo is free from any such fragrances, or better still, put a fragrance that is much better for your hair health like we are adding in our shampoo. The last ingredient that I am using in my shampoo is lemon juice. I am using it as a pH adjuster. What chemicals are used in store-bought shampoos as pH adjusters is simply horrendous. Okay, these are some things called TEA, DA. Better avoid these because these are not only toxic for your hair health, these are toxic for your general health also, because things are going to get absorbed in your body even if you put it on your hair. And now we come to the last step of making our shampoo. Simply blend all these ingredients and you have your shampoo ready. If you want a thicker shampoo, you can add a bit of more xanthan gum. Anyway, the thing is you have to make sure that the pH lies between 4.5 and 5.5. This is the ideal pH to get absorbed into your scalp. And if the pH is, say for example, more than that, you can add a bit of more lemon juice. And if the pH is less, you can add water to adjust the pH. In any case, do please take time out to check the pH using a litmus paper. Now comes the question of how to preserve your shampoo. Basically, this shampoo stays well in the fridge for 2 weeks. I have used it myself. Anyway, if you want to add a preservative, in case you don't have a fridge, you can add a safe preservative like potassium sorbate. Just 1/4 teaspoon is enough for this amount of shampoo. This is one of the safest preservatives out there. What is used as preservative in your store-bought shampoos is really harmful for you. Again, these are endocrine disruptors and these are very toxic for your health as well as for your hair. This is the list of toxic preservatives which are usually used in the store-bought shampoos. Anyway, congratulations, your toxin-free herbal shampoo is now prepared. Please do not put it in a plastic bottle. Plastic has BPAs which are again endocrine disruptors. Put it in a glass bottle, preferably a glass bottle through which light cannot pass, so that it preserves well. Personally, I have not seen any shampoo in the store that is preserved in a glass bottle. This is the amount of difference that you can make once you make the shampoo yourself at home. Please make this shampoo. All the ingredients are easily available online. You can get them very cheap, very effective, and you can use this shampoo daily. And with every wash, your hair will feel healthier. It cleans well and it makes your hair shiny with extra volume. I have used it and then I am sharing this video with you. Anyway, if your hair is extra messy or you have used any oils on your hair, better use a yogurt and egg mask. Just mix up 1 egg with about 2 tablespoons of yogurt as per your hair length. Apply it to your hair, leave it on for 20 minutes and then take your shower with this shampoo. What kinds of oils are good for your hair? I'll do a separate video on it. The video is getting very long. Thank you for watching the video till then. In the comment section below, let me know how much you like this shampoo. Till we meet next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.